If you're serious about maximizing your impact and income, you need to understand this one critical distinction. There's a huge difference between doing the job right and doing the right job. Sure, hard work and dedication are great, but my friends, they're just not enough. Yes, grinding away will bring you some level of success, but true, outstanding sales performance requires something more. The secret lies in laser focusing your precious time and energy on the high payoff activities that move the needle. Let me share with you a simple productivity formula I call the MHW method to help you prioritize your efforts like a true sales master. Step 1. Ask the MHW questions. Start by getting crystal clear on 3 key factors. M. How much money do you want to make in the next 12 months? H. How many hours per week are you willing to work to get there? WW. How many weeks per year do you plan to put in the hours? Step 2. Calculate your killer hourly rate. Now take that desired annual income and divide it by your weekly work hours and number of working weeks. This calculation gives you a target hourly rate, the baseline of what your time is truly worth. For example, let's say you want to earn $200,000 in the next year. Divide that by 50 hours per week and 53 working weeks, and you get about $75.47 per hour. This is your minimum acceptable rate. Step 3. Identify your high payoff activities. From here, the goal is simple. Focus the majority of your efforts on activities that generate at least that $75.47 per hour. If an activity is worth less than that, delegate it, outsource it, or ruthlessly eliminate it. What kind of high payoff activities am I talking about? Here are a few examples. 1. Direct conversations with decision makers. Spend your time talking to the people who actually have the authority to buy from you. 2. Delivering and installing solutions. Get your products and services in place and start delivering real value. That's where the big wins happen. 3. Strategic planning and referrals. Invest time in mapping out your sales strategy, reviewing results, and cultivating referrals from your happiest clients. Remember, the purpose of this exercise is to help you laser focus on what matters most. When you prioritize activities that meet or exceed your target hourly rate, you'll make measurable progress toward your financial goals with much greater efficiency and impact. This, my friends, is the difference between doing the job right and doing the right job. Are you ready to work smarter, not just harder? Then let's get to it. The difference between doing the job right and doing the right job.